Thank you for taking a look at this video. And these are custom made glass pieces that I designed for mulling pigments for acrylic and oil-based paints. It's just a simple 1 inch by 5 inch piece of glass on a sandblasted base or a piece of glass. Doesn't necessarily have to be sandblasted, but it's a little bit nicer. So I made these. You can hear it on that glass. It makes a wonderful job for mulling paints. I got a 2 1/8 by 1 inch, same thing. So if you're mixing small amounts, you can just use small amounts. And I have a 1 by 1, which is smaller yet. So you can see how well this would really work for mulling the paints. So I'm selling these 3 pieces and shipped anywhere, Canada, United States, or anywhere for that fact, on the Etsy store. And the base plate glass will be a separate price and, of course, separate shipping. You can get the glass locally at any glass shop, and some glass shops do sandblasting too, so they can do that for you. If you have any questions, please leave a question in the bottom of the video, or email me at alan.very@sabbatical.ca, and I'll answer any questions that you do have. Thank you very much. Take care.